welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Kyrgyzstan through their eVisa system. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, Kyrgyzstan have this eVisa system. This is really good because now it can be applied so easily at the place of your convenience. And I'm not going through the eligibility and other things that you can read the information on the official website by clicking on information. But rather, this video will be like for the process. So I'm gonna like three steps, apply, continue, and check the status. Fine. Let's go through that. The very first thing is gonna select your passport country. So whatever it is you're gonna select, I'm just selecting a sample. Again, I say I'm not an immigration consultant or government body. So if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Passport type, let's say ordinary. Now you need to select the type of visa. Let's say you're going for tourism. So I select tourist. Now it is giving you the option single entry, cost this much. Single entry for 2 months, cost this much. So based on your travel plans, you can select and you need to do this captcha code. Believe me, guys, I'm very bad in doing this. All the information I put here is gonna be sample. So when you do it as per your case. Okay, main data. So you need like based on nationality, there could be a requirements. If I go for applicant, applicant data is here. If I go for inviting person, inviting data, applicant data. Okay. So I'm just putting some information. What should I do? Peter Smith. Okay. Date of birth. You can always click and do here. Passport number, residence address, and place of work and position. Okay. These two I just put sample. Now applicant data. So I'll just put Smith. Just sample, guys. You need to put as per your case and nicely. Don't do like this. Passport number. Just sample, guys. Issue date. Expiration date. Email address is important. And this code is also important. So what's going to happen here is of course, I'll show the process. Don't worry. After you do this, a link will be sent you to your email address that you need to click and proceed. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to see you. Okay, guys. So what happened is like I got an email with the reference code and also the link. The link comes here. So I'll click on continue your application. I'm going to put the reference number here and I'm going to put the captcha. Of course, I will not be applying this application because I'm not going to pay. Security code it is asking. I don't have a security code, so I can click on this. Okay. I'm gonna get the security code and put here. Okay, so now additional contact phone number. I'm just gonna put some sample. You do nicely. Contact information of the inviting party. Provide nicely. Place of stay. Purpose of visit. Provide in details and nicely. This is just sample. That's what I'm doing like this. And when you point, it's gonna tell you approximate or exact date of arrival. So let's say you are coming in June 20th. Planned date of exit. Let's say Going on August 8th. Have you visited before? I select no, but if you have done, definitely provide that info. Let me say I can go to next. Kyrgyzstan Republic ever been rejected? If yes, provide the indicator. Please enter date. If you don't have, please enter date or put if you don't have rejected application. Okay, no. Uh, please enter date or put dash. Okay, so I'll put dash. Yeah, okay, fine. Can I go to the next stage now? Email. Okay, I'm gonna put email and then I'm gonna show you the next stage. Has happened. I have reached to this next stage. You need to upload your photo, passport scan, return request, or you can say invitation. Okay, there. Additional documents, non-mandatory that you want to upload. Like it's always good to have, like if you have already booked the hotels, if you have bought travel insurance and anything that a legitimate tourist needs, if you can upload that, that will definitely help your case. Next stage is going to be verification and payment. That I'm not going to do, but you got an idea how to do. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.